Welcome to Crack Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open Strixhaven School of Mages. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Blood Age General, followed by Promising Dusk Mage, Curate, Mage Duel, Pilgrim of the Ages, Witherbloom Campus, Teach by Example, Lorehold Pledge Mage, Study Break, Pest Summoning, Tenured Ink Caster, Prismari Apprentice, Mercurial Transformation, Vine Glimmer Snarl, Abundant Harvest for our mystical archive, and then we have an Inkling token at the back. So again, Inkling, then Abundant Harvest, which for a green is a sorcery that says choose land or non-land. Reveal cards from the top of your library until you reveal a card of the chosen kind. Put that card into your hand and the rest on the bottom of your library in a random order. So this can be land fetch, or it can be getting just a card from the top of your deck, essentially. If you choose land, you're probably going to be digging a couple of cards in to find it, and then putting everything else on the bottom. Unless you're playing like a Lands Matter deck or a Landfall deck where you're running, somewhere in the neighborhood of 40 or 50% of your deck as lands, then you might just be getting the top card. So, in my opinion, the odds are, if you say non-land, you're going to just be drawing the top card. You might be going 2 cards in. But if you call a land, you're more likely to be doing a little bit more card selection, going a little deeper, at least in my experience, with the way my decks always wind up shuffled. If I call for a land on this, I'd be looking 7, 8, 9 cards deep, which I don't know if that's my deck building or just my really bad shuffling. But if I want to filter cards, I would call for a land and get the land, especially since it's just a green. It's easy to drop and get some ramp off of it, and the top deck fixing, sort of, by being able to filter out cards, but they're staying in your library. You're not having to get rid of them. You're just having to cycle them to the bottom. And we have Vine Glimmer Snarl, Mercurial Transformation, Prismari Apprentice, Tenured Ink Caster, Pest Summoning, Study Break, Lorehold Pledge Mage, Teach by Example, Witherbloom Campus, Pilgrim of the Ages, Mage Duel, Curate, Promising Dusk Mage, and Blood Age General. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.